South Carolina's new hands-free and distracted driving law went into effect yesterday. Here's everything you need to know about it. The new law isn't just about your phone, it's also about a GPS device, a computer, an iPad, or a mobile gaming device. The law says that you can't hold any of these devices in your hand or support them with any part of your body. That means don't set it in your lap. You can use an earpiece or a watch to activate your device, just so long as they're all hands-free. You cannot read, compose, or transmit a text message, email, or operate any of the other apps with your hands while you're driving. You can't watch any motion on a screen. That means no videos, movies, gaming, and no FaceTime while you're driving. Let's talk about when the law does not apply. It doesn't apply if you're stopped or legally parked. There's an exemption for voice activation. If you have voice activation enabled, you can voice text or enable any of your apps with your voice, just as long as you aren't holding that phone or supporting it with any part of your body. There is an exemption for reporting an accident or emergency. It does not apply if you're using a dispatch system for your job. That's going to be truck drivers, Uber, DoorDash, or anybody else who uses a digital dispatch system. You're still able to use that. It also doesn't apply to first responders on duty. You can still use your device to navigate or listen to audio. It just all has to be hands-free and voice activated. Finally, any factory equipment that came with your car is fine. There's an exemption in the law that says that as long as it's standard factory equipment, you're good to go. If you violate the new law, then you're going to be guilty of distracted driving. A first offense is a $100 ticket, and a second offense is a $200 ticket and 2 points on your license. The new law does place some important restrictions on law enforcement as they're enforcing this law. Law enforcement can't stop you unless they have reasonable suspicion that you violated the law and a clear and unobstructed view of you holding that phone or using that device. Law enforcement can't search, seize, or forfeit your device in order to prove a violation of this law. You cannot be arrested on distracted driving alone, and law enforcement can't search you, search your vehicle, or search any of your passengers based solely on a violation of this law. However, please keep in mind, if they pull you over for a violation of distracted driving and your car smells like probable cause, then they will have another reason to search you. In the course of the stop, there could be independent grounds for probable cause for a search. This law is in effect as of September 1st. I'm sure that you've seen the new signs that have gone up all over the roads. But you still have a little more time to figure this out because for now, they're only issuing warnings. You have until March 1st until they're actually going to write you a ticket for a violation of the new law. Now's the time to figure out how to use your Apple CarPlay, to figure out how to use your voice activation, and to buy one of those phone mounts that you see all over TikTok Shop. They're not expensive. Go ahead and get one that works with your car.